Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Afiq Danish bin Azrul Mizam from Group B1009E24 in Engineering course as your ITM student. For this video, I will teach you how to make a table using Microsoft Excel. So first, you need to launch Microsoft Excel, and then it will appear this option. So you need to click on blank workbook. For this video, I will choose Internet Edition for my topic of this table among the student. So for the first thing, for the first step, double click on cell A1 and type of Internet Edition. So you can see the word in cell A1 exceed until cell C1. Never mind, leave them first. Go to the next step, double click on cell D1 and then type number of students involved. Then the number of students involved. For this data, we separate into 3 categories: primary, secondary, and college. So we double click on cell D2, then we type primary school. Then we can see this problem come again, and we need to leave them first. So we go to the next step, we double click on cell F2 and then we type secondary school. Then for the third category, we use the same thing and we double click on cell H2 and then we type college student. And here we done with the number of students involved and the categories. So we proceed to type of Internet Edition. So we double click on cell A3 and then we type entertainment. Then for the next step, double click on the next row and the same column and type social networking. For the next step, we use the same thing, the same step. Go to the next row in the same column, double click and type research. For the following step, we double click in the next row and we type educational. For the last of the type of Internet Edition, double click on the next row in the same column and type email communication. Then we done with the type of Internet Edition. So we proceed to the data. So for example, we put here 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 5, 4, 6, 8, 7, 21, 12, 31, 22, 24, 22. Okay, here you can see all the data and all the type and all the topic then fill up all the table, and we had made a sketch of the table. So next, for the fun things, we need to combine some cell become one cell. So we go to the type of Ethernet addition. So we click on the cell A1, and then we drag this console, select the database from cell A1 until cell C2, and then we go to merge and center, and we click on merge and center, and it will become like this. So from the from the seed cell, it become one when we merge, when we merge them. And then we use the same method. We select the database from D1 until I1, and then we merge and center. And then we use the same method, but a little bit different for this kind of merge. So we select the database from A3 until C7, and then we go to the arrow of the merge and center. We click on merge across, so we can see it merge, but in crossing the row. And then we use the same thing, merge across, for this category. So we select the database of primary school, and we merge across. We select all the database of the in the secondary school. We merge across, and then we select all the database of the college students, and we merge across. So here you can see all we can see it it at a table, yeah. So here we can include the border. So we select all the database, and we click on the right on your mouse, and it will appear an option, and we select this option of the border, and we select all border, so we can see the table highlight with the line of the border. So here we also can arrange this position of the data. So let's try for this category. So we select the database from primary school until 22 of data, and we click this center, so it will arrange the data at the center. Same goes to here. We use the same method, and here, and this type of Ethernet, we click on here, because we want it located at the center of the cell. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you to make your assignment regarding to make a table or others. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and anything you can leave on your comment. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Nigga wanna see me fall. Stephen Curry, how I ball. Gosha garments and a white 3